At ReachOut, we deliver innovative digital self-help that enables young people to take control of their mental health and well-being. We do this by providing apps, tools, forums, information, and online peer support, which is especially important in regional and remote Australia, where youth suicide can be twice as high as in cities, mental health problems are more common, and getting access to mental health care is tougher.
So with the support of Future Generation Global, we've been able to undertake an extensive national research program to understand what do young people living in regional and rural Australia need from our service.
In our workshops, young people shared with us their need for support with struggling to find work, worrying about money, and being stressed about study and exams.
The issues that are really of top priority that young people think are really important in their areas are things like suicide and self-harm, things like drug and alcohol use, and family issues as well.
We also heard about the unique benefits that a digital self-help platform can have for these areas. Young people spoke to us about the confidentiality and anonymity that a digital platform can provide.
One young person around the issue of self-harm really expressed that they felt that they really couldn't go to, for example, the school chaplain because they were really scared actually that they would tell everyone else and then everyone would know. So there's that real sense of insecurity in approaching different adults in these situations.
With the pressures of school, study and other life commitments, digital self-help allows access to support whenever and wherever young people need it.
So they can go online whenever they need the support. It can be outside of office hours, so if they're working or studying and they can't get to a clinic, they can access it when they get home. So there are some services in these towns that are doing a really great job of engaging with young people, but the demand for those services far outstrips the supply.
A rural service in Northern Territory actually was so inundated by referrals following 2 youth suicides in the community that they actually had to stop taking any more referrals just to get on top of the work that they already had. So we've received some feedback from young people living in regional and rural areas about what they think about ReachOut.
The feedback that we had was that they really enjoyed the opportunity to feel heard. They felt like ReachOut really cared about them by coming up and talking to them and trying to understand what was going on for them.
ReachOut can play an important role in these communities, but not enough young people in these areas know about the support we provide. Over the next year, we need Future Generation Global's continued support to help us raise awareness of ReachOut in regional and remote areas and integrate digital self-help in these communities. This way, young people will have the tools they need wherever and whenever they need them, and we can reach more young people with support for tough times.